The frost is on the ground, so it's time to get this building torn down. Welcome back to another video. I have to tell you, there is something very rewarding about cleaning or getting rid of junk, and that's pretty much what this video is about. My sister and I worked at tearing this stuff down that we could easily get down and not really worry about getting hurt. Some of this structure is a little heavy, so we're going to let the guys that we're going to hire do it. And like the roof on that building over there, that far building. So they're going to do that. But in the meantime, we did what we could and, just plugged along at making this better. So these are the areas that we got done today. This risky back deck, all of the trimming that was around the posts. You can see those rafter 2x4s at the top, and that stairs that was like an accident waiting to happen at the bottom. So we are ready to move forward. Manuel and Nico are here on a cold day, but it's a little windy, and it's a little cold, about 33 degrees, and they are working to take down the main beams here, the posts. What do you call those that go across? Headers? Headers. They already took this one down that was here between this post and that post, and they're going to take that down and probably get the floor up, and we'll see. I'll be back to film more. Thank you for coming. I wasn't here when this came down, but he said it fell, so nobody got hurt, fortunately, but it's down, so this is great. I think he'll have this down today, this entire thing. So the guy that's coming for this little building here can take it away without any problems. That's awesome. Saving as much wood as possible to reuse the one we rebuild. And that was pretty rotten. So good choice to tear it down. And it looks like they used particle board under that, which gets wet and isn't good. I don't know, maybe they all use that, but that'll be nice to have that gone. Good news, and what a beautiful view. The highlight just needs to be cleaned up, but it looks like it's intact. It was just in a very precarious spot and nobody could ever clean that. But we will clean that up and use it maybe on a deck area or somewhere. Kind of like where this was. But maybe not here because it's such a severe drop. You can't tell from here, but, well, take my word for it. I don't know if you can't tell it all with these angles. But it's a very steep drop. I'll have to go down there and get those boards at some point. But at least they got the majority of this here, that deck. And boy, those boards are sketchy. Yikes.